Making money with Forex involves trading currencies in the global market to profit from price fluctuations. Here's a step-by-step guide. Learn the basics. Forex trading is based on buying one currency while selling another. Currencies are traded in pairs. Understand basic terminology like pips, spreads, and leverage, as well as how the Forex market works. Choose a reliable broker. Open a trading account with a reputable Forex broker. Ensure they offer competitive spreads, leverage options, and access to trading platforms. Develop a trading strategy. Implement technical analysis using charts, indicators, and historical data to predict currency price movements. Alternatively, use fundamental analysis to evaluate economic factors such as interest rates and geopolitical events. Choose a trading style that suits your risk tolerance and time commitment. Risk management. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Use leverage cautiously, as it amplifies both profits and risks. Monitor and adapt. Continuously monitor the markets and adjust your strategies based on market conditions. Stay informed through financial news and economic reports.